let's go over solving rational expressions by multiplying by the least common denominator. So first, let's look at these denominators. We have 2x minus 12, 2x squared minus 4x minus 48, and x minus 6. So we can get a common denominator by multiplying these all together, but we want to look at the least common denominator. So let's factor all of these and let's see what we end up with. So 2x minus 12, this can be factored by taking the 2 out, and we'll have x minus 6. Okay, then that's as far as I could go. We could factor 2 out of here also, so we'll have 2 times x squared minus 2x minus 24. And then this doesn't factor, it's just x minus 6. Okay, this actually factors even further. It's a quadratic, so we could factor it like so, x and x. We need numbers that add up to -2 and multiply to -24. So that's going to be -6 and +4. So here, if we multiply this by x plus 4, it's going to be the same as this. If we multiply this by 2 times x plus 4, we'll have this also. So this is the least common denominator. So this term is 2x minus 12 just needs x plus 4 to be a least common denominator. But instead, what we're going to do, instead of getting least common denominators, we're going to multiply everything by this least common denominator. So multiply this expression by 2 times x minus 6 times x plus 4. Multiply this one by 2 times x minus 6 times x plus 4. And multiply this one by, again, 2 x minus 6 x plus 4. So since we multiplied everything in the equation by this factor, the equation does remain the same. We didn't do anything mathematically incorrect. But what we can do now is reduce. So 2 times x minus 6 reduces with 2x minus 12. They're both the same thing. This whole expression is the same as this, so these cancel out. And x minus 6 reduces with this x minus 6. So now we see we have no more denominators. So in this expression, we just have x plus 4 left, and it's over 1. We don't have to write that. Here, everything reduced except for this 1, so we just have plus 1 equals what's left here, 2 times x plus 4. Now we have a simpler equation that we could solve. So let's combine like terms. This becomes x plus 5. Let's distribute this 2. This is 2x plus 8. Alright, so now let's get all the x's together. So minus x, minus x. So now here x's cancel out. We have 5 equals 2x minus x, which is 1x or x. Still have the plus 8. And now let's just subtract 8 from both sides. We have 5 minus 8, -3 equals x. And that's our answer. Now another note for this is we always have to check our answer. So to put -3 in for x, and just make sure that the denominator does not come out to equal 0. Because if the denominator is 0, then it's undefined. But here if we put -3 in, the denominator is not 0, so this is okay.